In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Zoho Books. By the end, you'll have the core pieces in place so you can start working confidently with your financial data. Begin by clicking the gear icon in the top right and opening the Profile section. This is where you enter the foundational details for your company. Add your legal business name exactly as registered, your address, and any relevant contact information you want to appear on documents. Set your time zone, base currency, and fiscal year so your reports line up with how you operate. If you have a logo, upload a clean image so your invoices and estimates look professional. Take a moment to confirm everything matches your official records, then save. Getting this right up front keeps your documents consistent and helps avoid downstream corrections. Next, go to the Taxes area to configure your tax settings. Choose the correct region, enter your tax registration details, and add any tax rates you'll be charging or paying. Decide whether your prices will be tax-inclusive or tax-exclusive, and set default preferences so the system behaves the way you expect on new transactions. If you operate in multiple locations or need compound taxes, set those rules here as applicable. When in doubt, confirm requirements with a finance professional to ensure compliance from day one. Head back to the home screen, then click Banking on the left pane. Here you can connect your bank to bring in transactions automatically or add an account manually if you prefer entering data yourself. When connecting, pick the correct institution and currency, and choose a reasonable start date so you don't import more history than you plan to reconcile. If you add accounts manually, create separate accounts for each checking, savings, or credit card you use. Either way, verify balances and names so they match your statements. Now click Accountant on the left pane and open the chart of accounts. Add or edit accounts to reflect how your business earns income and incurs expenses. Make sure your bank and card accounts are present. Create clear income categories for your products or services, and add expense categories that match how you track spending. Use straightforward names and keep the list concise to make coding transactions fast and accurate. Finally, add your customers and vendors if needed. Populate the essentials like company name, billing address, and any tax details, plus default payment terms if you use them. Clean, consistent records here save time when you create invoices and record bills. And there you go. That's the setup. With your profile, taxes, banking, chart of accounts, and contacts in place, you're ready to start transacting and reporting with confidence.